Pakistan is rolling out a multi-layered response to manage the shock from soaring global oil prices triggered by US-Israel war on Iran. The strategy combines federal price adjustments, austerity measures, and targeted subsidies delivered through provincial governments. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif announced that the petrol levy has been reduced by 80 rupees per litre, bringing the retail price down to 378 rupees per litre, effective from midnight Saturday. The new price will remain unchanged for at least 1 month.
पेट्रोल की लेवी में फिलफौर 80 रुपए फी लीटर कमी का ऐलान कर रहा हूं और इस तरह आज रात 12 बजे पेट्रोल की कीमत जो कि 458 रुपए फी लीटर है उसे कम करके 378 रुपए फी लीटर आज रात 12 बजे पेट्रोल पंप पर आपको पेट्रोल मुहैया होगा.
The move came just a day after the government had announced a steep increase in fuel prices as international oil markets surged. Officials had earlier raised petrol to 458 rupees per litre, while diesel climbed to 520.35 rupees per litre.
तो आज जो फैसला किया गया वो ये है कि बैनुल अक़वामी मंडियों के मुताबिक पेट्रोल की कीमत के अंदर बढ़ावा करके नई कीमत जो है वो 458 रुपीस 40 पैसास कल से लागू कर दी जाएगी. और इसके साथ साथ कोशिश ये की गई कि डीजल जो हमारे काश्तकार के लिए पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए बहुत ही करीबी किरदार और जुज़ रखता है उसके अंदर कम से कम बढ़ावा आगे पास किया जाए और उसकी नई कीमत को 520 रुपए 35 पैसे के ऊपर रखा जाए. तो हुकूमत ने अपनी चादर देखते हुए भरपूर कोशिश की है कि अवाम को ब्लैंकेट प्रोटेक्शन भी दी जा सके, पर क्योंकि वसाइल महदूद हैं और इस जंग के इख्तिताम की कोई अभी हालत सामने नजर नहीं आ रही, तो हुकूमत यहाँ पे मजबूरन अपने मुआहिदों के तहत, अपने वादों के तहत और एक जिम्मेदारी के तहत इस कीमत को आगे पास कर रही है.
To soften the impact, particularly on transport and freight costs, the government adjusted the petrol levy. The levy on petrol was increased to 160 rupees per litre, while the levy on diesel was reduced to 0. A step aimed at preventing further pressure on food and transport supplies. The government says it tried for weeks to shield consumers from the global oil surge. According to the Prime Minister, Pakistan has spent 129 billion rupees over 3 weeks to absorb higher import costs rather than pass them directly to the public. During that period, the government rejected multiple recommendations to sharply raise fuel prices, including proposals to increase petrol by 76 rupees, then 95 rupees, and as diesel as much as 203 rupees per litre. But as the Middle East conflict pushes global oil prices higher, the government said it eventually had to pass some increases to the consumer. The latest measures, the Prime Minister said, were designed to stabilize prices while shifting relief towards targeted support for vulnerable groups.
और एक एक पैसे की बचत से आपको इस महंगाई के तूफान से बचाया जा सके. आज आलमी मंडियों में तेल की कीमतों में होश रुबा इजाफा हो चुका है और महंगाई जिसने कि दुनिया की ताकतवर मईशतों की भी कमर तोड़ दी है, यकीनन पाकिस्तान भी उससे बुरी तरह मुतासर हो रहा है. इसीलिए पिछले 3 हफ्तों में मैंने आपके ऊपर इस हर रोज तेल की कीमतों में इजाफे का बोझ डालना कतन मुनासिब ना समझा.
At the federal level, the government has also launched a broader austerity program to reduce fuel consumption. Cabinet members have now agreed to forgo salaries for 6 months, extending an earlier 2-month plan. Government offices have moved to a 4-day work week. Fuel allocations for official vehicles have been cut by 50%, and work from home arrangements have been introduced for a portion of the public and private sector employees. Alongside these measures, the federal government has designed a targeted subsidy framework focused on motorcyclists, farmers and transporters. These are sectors most exposed to rising fuel costs. The program will be implemented by the provinces with a fiscal impact of roughly 65 to 70 billion rupees per month. Under the scheme, goods transports vehicles will receive 70,000 rupees per month, large trucks 80,000 rupees per month, and public buses 100,000 rupees in support. Small farmers will receive 1,500 rupees per acre to offset higher diesel costs during cultivation. The program will be financed jointly by provinces, which are pooling roughly 200 billion rupees over 3 months based on their National Finance Commission shares. Punjab is contributing 100 billion rupees, Sindh around 51 to 52 billion, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 15 billion, and Balochistan to roughly 8 to 9 billion. To implement the subsidy system nationwide, the federal government has introduced a digital fuel quota mechanism for motorcycles. A mobile application will allow users to generate vouchers linked to their CNICs and vehicle registration number, enabling them to purchase up to 20 liters of subsidized petrol each month. The Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority, along with the Ministry of Finance, Petroleum and Information Technology, has finalized the system. About 24,000 mobile devices will be deployed at 12,000 petrol stations nationwide so retailers can scan digital vouchers and verify quotas in real time. Oil marketing companies will provide the devices while petrol stations will dedicate specific fuel dispensers for motorcycles to ensure the subsidized fuel program runs smoothly. In Islamabad, the federal government has made public transport free for 30 days, with the Interior Ministry covering 350 million rupees in costs. Punjab is implementing one of the largest provincial relief packages. The province plans to spend around 35 billion rupees per month, including subsidies for 22 million motorcyclists, more than 765,000 transport vehicles, and support for farmers cultivating over 16 million acres of wheat. Motorcycle owners will receive a subsidy equivalent to 100 rupees per litre on 20 litres of petrol each month. Farmers will receive diesel support tied to land holdings, while transport operators will receive monthly cash support to stabilize fares. The Punjab government has also made intra-city transport fees, including the Orange Line train, Metro Bus and Speedo Bus and the Green Electric Bus network. In addition, diesel support of 10 litres per acre at 150 rupees per litre has been announced for wheat farmers with holdings of up to 25 acres. Sindh has introduced a similar targeted approach. The provincial government plans to support 6 to 7 million motorcyclists, providing 2,000 rupees per litre in month fuel subsidy, roughly equivalent to 100 rupees per 20 litres of petrol. Payments will be delivered through mobile application and digital systems linked to vehicle registration. Sindh is also extending support to farmers with holdings under 25 acres, who will receive 1,500 rupees per acre through the province Hari card system. Provincial authorities say they will ensure the public transport fares remains unchanged despite the fuel increase.
हमने सोचा कि जी कैसे दें पेट्रोल पंप पे, आप कैसे मैनेज करेंगे जी मोटरसाइकिल वाले को कम कीमत पे आप पेट्रोल दें और जो बड़ी गाड़ी वाला आता है उससे ज़्यादा दें, पंप वाले कैसे, इसको आप मैनेज नहीं कर सकते। उसका हल ये निकाला हमने कहा कि जी हमारे पास हमें पता है कि कितनी मोटरसाइकिल्स रजिस्टर्ड हैं। सूबा सिंध में नंबर 6.7 मिलियन 67 लैक्स 67 लाख जितने भी होते हैं 67 होते हैं 67 लाख मोटरसाइकिल्स रजिस्टर्ड हैं। इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि सारी के सारी रोड पे, इसलिए कुछ बिल्कुल जंक होके ख़त्म हो गई होंगी। हमने अच्छा दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मोटरसाइकिल शायद हो मेरे नाम पे, मैंने बेच दी हो नासिर शाह साहब को, उन्होंने रजिस्टर नहीं कराई हो, अब वो पैसे तो मुझे मिलेंगे। एक तो रजिस्टर करानी चाहिए नासिर शाह के नाम पे, नासिर शाह को कहना चाहिए कि जी मेरे नाम पे रजिस्टर हो गाड़ी, और लॉ ये तो आपकी ज़रूरत भी है लीगल। तो हमने उसके लिए कहा कि जी हम 20 वर्किंग डेज का हिसाब लगा के और 1 लीटर पर डे 200 लीटर 20 लीटर बनते हैं पर मंथ। पेट्रोल में तकरीबन 100 रुपये का इजाफा हुआ, उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा शायद हुआ है, लेकिन हमने कहा 100 रुपये हम हर मोटरसाइकिल वाले को दें। उसका हमने तरीक़ाकार भी बना लिया है। अब ये मैं आप मीडिया के तवज्जुह से हर मोटरसाइकिल ओनर को एड्रेस कर रहा हूँ, उन्हें बताना चाहता हूँ कि पेट्रोल पंप पे उन्हें 100 रुपये कम नहीं मिलेगा। शायद ये ख्याल था कि जब सुबह लोग बनाने गए तेल कि जी मुझे आप जो है 450 कितना 452 है उसमें क्यों दे रहे हैं, आपने मुझे 100 रुपये कम पे देना है, सरकार ने कहा है। शायद वो कन्वे होने में दुरुस्त नहीं हुआ। हर मोटरसाइकिल वाले को 1 महीने के लिए 2,000 रुपए दिए जाएंगे।
Khyber Pakhtunkhwa had already moved ahead with its own scheme earlier, announcing a 2,000 rupee monthly subsidy for motorcyclists. The province estimated the program will cost about 5 billion rupees per month, with an additional 6 to 7 billion rupees required to support other sectors affected by the fuel surge. Balochistan faces greater logistical challenges due to limited vehicle registration data currently available in a handful of districts. Provincial authorities say they may rely on Benazir Income Support Program databases to support the agriculture subsidies while building systems to expand coverage. Together, these steps show how Pakistan is attempting to manage the economic fallout from the global energy shock, combining price adjustments, austerity measures, and targeted relief while coordinating federal and provincial responses to cushion the impact on households, farmers, and transport networks.